Hello, welcome our Review Insight channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the USB wall charger which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start.
Number 1. Anker 40 watts, 4-port USB wall charger with foldable plug, PowerPort 4 for iPhone XS, Max XR, 7, 6 Plus, iPad Pro Air 2 Mini 4 3, Galaxy Note Edge, LG, Nexus, HTC, and more. Key features. Media's choice, recommended by the Wall Street Journal, which remarked that PowerPort 4 was a godsend. Advanced charging technology, power and voltage boost combined to provide the fastest possible charge up to 8 amps or 2.4 amps per port. Does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. Certified safe, Anker's multi-product safety system ensures complete protection for you and your devices. Anker PowerPort 4. 40 watts, 4-port USB charging hub for phones, tablets and more. Media's choice. Recommended by the Wall Street Journal, which remarked that PowerPort 4 was a godsend. Advanced charging technology. Exclusive to Anker, power and voltage boost combined to ensure your devices charge at their fastest possible charge speed. Super compact. As small and light as a MacBook Air power adapter, the Anker PowerPort 4 is one of the most compact multi-port USB chargers on the market. Travel-ready, compact design, foldable plug-in 100-240 volt input ideal for worldwide travel. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Portability 4.9. Charging power 4.7. For traveling 4.7. What you get? PowerPort 4, 40 watts, 4-port USB charging hub, welcome guide, our fan-favorite 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. Number 2. iPhone fast charger Apple certified Quntis USB-C to Lightning cable 6 feet with USB-C PD wall charger 18 watts support power delivery for iPhone 11 XS Max XR 8 Plus iPad Pro. Key features. Necessary Apple iPhone fast charger. Do you want to charge your iPhone 11 2.5 faster than original Apple charger? Superior safety fast charging. Quntis fast iPhone charger has multi-button safety system ensures complete protection for your Apple Lightning devices. Apple certified iPhone charger. Apple MFI certification means flawless compatibility with every device that uses a Lightning connector. Superior power delivery. Use the official Apple Lightning cable with our 18W wall plug to access fast charging for phone. Support and care for customer service. By just contact us, we would reply you ASAP in 24 hours. Package includes 1 6-foot USB-C to Lightning cable, 1 18W Type-C PD wall plug, 1 cable Velcro, 1 nice welcome guide. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Charging power 4.6. Sturdiness 4.4. Material quality 4.4. Number 3. Amazon Basics 60 watts 6-port multi-USB wall charger. Key features. USB wall charger. For cell phones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Built-in device detection. Fast charging. Internal safety switch. Auto shut-off. Foldable plug for compact portability. Charging cable not included. Color, multiple color available. Black, white, style, multiple style available. 4-port, 6-port, 10-port, dual-port, 1-port. Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Easy to use 4.7. Charging power 4.6. For traveling 4.6. Seller warranty, backed by the Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. Anker 60 watts 2-port USB-C charger, PowerPort Atom PD2, GaNTech, compact foldable wall charger, power delivery for MacBook Pro Air, iPad Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max XR XSX, Pixel, Galaxy, and more. Key features. The ultimate travel charger, 15% smaller than a laptop stock charger with the power to charge 2 laptops at 160 watts output delivers high-speed charging to nearly all USB-C and Lightning devices. High speed, 5 faster than the 5W charger that comes with your iPhone. Charge iPhone X up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Intelligent power allocation. Exclusive technology distributes power between devices and allows for high-speed charging up to 60W when a single device is connected. Customer reviews, 4.3 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Material quality 4.7. For traveling 4.5. Charging power 4.4. What you get? PowerPort at MPD2 wall charger. Welcome guide our worry-free 18-month and friendly customer service. Number 5. Anker 60 watts, 10-port USB wall charger. PowerPort 10 for iPhone XS, Max XR, X8, 7, 6 seconds plus, iPad Pro Air 2 Mini, Galaxy S9, S8, S7 Plus Edge, Note 8, 7, LG, Nexus, HTC and more. Key features. The Anker Advantage, join the 50 million plus powered by America's leading USB charging brand. Advanced charging technology. Power and voltage boost combined to provide the fastest possible charge up to 2.4 amps per port or 12 amps overall. Ultra powerful, 10 ports pump out 60 watts of power, enabling simultaneous multi-device charging. Certified safe, Anker's multi-product safety system ensures complete protection for you and your devices. Worldwide 100-240 volt AC input voltage. Power technology. By intelligently identifying any connected device. Voltage boost technology. Smart technology that determines when charging output is encountering resistance. By automatically compensating for this. Multi-product. A combination of 10 safety features that work together to provide ultimate protection for your devices, your chargers and most important. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Charging power 4.8. Material quality 4.8. Easy to use 4.8. What you get? Anker PowerPort 10, 60 watts, 10-port USB charging hub. 5 feet detachable power cord. Welcome guide. Our fan favorite 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.